Hello everyone, my name is Cube and today I'm currently at the Singapore's Apple store, which is at Orchard Road, Apple Orchard Road. I've just collected my new second generation AirPods with wireless charging case. So you can call it AirPod 2 or AirPod S, AirPod second generation, and here it is. I'm just going to take it out now. There we go. And here's the box. The same, pretty much the same. There's no design change at all except for this. If you buy the AirPod with the wireless charging case, it will say wireless charging case below the AirPods word, and it's pretty fancy. So the back has some changes. Previously, it's a picture of the AirPower. Apple decided to change the back, so it now looks old AirPod box without the lightning cable. So okay, let's dig straight into it. Okay, so alright, the cover is here out, and here it is. It says designed by Apple in California. And here's the AirPod. Ooh, oh my god, it looks really nice. This cardboard, because Apple is all about being green. Okay, so yep, here's the paperwork. Okay, so once it's out, you will have this. This is the instruction manual. Like, it will teach you how to pair, what does the LED means, all the shortcuts, like Hey Siri, which is the new feature for this second generation AirPod. And yeah, they'll teach you what the light means. I don't need that. And here's the safety handling, all the paperwork. You know, it's pretty normal. And there's no Apple sticker, so yep, pretty disappointing. Look at this. Oh. Okay, so here is the lightning port. If you don't want to charge wirelessly, I mean, you can still go with the old school method by charging it with a lightning cable. Yep. I really wish they include USB-C, but you know, let's check out what's inside. You can just remove this. Apple is generous enough to include a lightning cable for you to charge. Alright, let's open it up, shall we? And there we go. Hey, look at that. Oh, the case is super shiny. Okay, I noticed some changes with the casing, other than the pretty obvious one, which is the LED. Has been shifted from inside the case to outside, so it's easier for you to see where, the status of the case, whether it is charging or not. And also the placement of the pairing button for non-Apple devices, it has been shifted upwards. Also the hinge, now it has matte finish instead of the glossy finish of the previous model. And the lid also, this has been designed a little bit steeper, so it's easier for you to open and close the case. Look at that. Here's the AirPod. And here we have a wireless charger, so let's try out to see if it charges. Oh yes, look at that. And there goes the red light or orange light. It's charging. So when it's fully charged, it will be green. And if it's orange, that means it's running low on power, so you need to give it more juice. And if it's green, that means it's capable to give your AirPods another full charge. That's all for the unboxing. I'm gonna pair it up later, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you very much. Leave a like and subscribe.